A few months ago, I realized something that's kind of embarrassing, and that's the fact that I was juggling between so many different tools. I was spending more time managing my workflow between all of those tools than I was actually getting meaningful work done. And quite honestly, I really do think that a lot of people trying to start an e-commerce business can relate to this. You get into it thinking about, creativity, freedom, and building something that's really exciting, but then suddenly you're buried in supplier research, product sourcing, pricing, emails, content creation, and then endless admin work every single day. Now, the worst part is that none of the tasks are actually difficult individually. The problem is how scattered everything becomes. So one minute you are researching products, the next you're checking suppliers, then writing captions, answering emails, updating your store, looking at trends, and before you know it, you've got 15 tabs open trying to hold the entire business together manually. So you spend the whole day working, but never actually moving the business forward. Now, this is exactly why I got interested in Accio Work. And before this, I was seeing people piece together, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and random automation tools, trying to make everything with an e-commerce business work together themselves. But Accio Work felt different because instead of just helping generate ideas, it actually helps connect and automate the workflow itself. So things like supplier research, store management, emails, and content creation all in one place. Also, because it's built on Alibaba.com's 26 years of business-to-business data, with over 1 billion products and 50 million business profiles worldwide, it's pulling from real commercial data instead of just guessing. So in today's video, I want to show you how I built this amazing workflow, how someone starting an e-commerce business or even somebody already running one could also use a workflow just like this to save a huge amount of time along with increasing income. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me show you how this actually works. Instead of just walking you through menus, I want to take you through a real scenario. So let's say that you are starting an e-commerce business. Maybe you're selling trending products on Shopify or Etsy, and you want to stop spending your entire week on tasks that could be automated. I'm going to show you exactly how I would set this up from scratch using Accio Work and how much time it saves with every single step. So inside of the platform here, the first thing that you want to do is create what they call an agent. And I know the word agent sounds kind of techy and intimidating, but really I promise it's not. Think of it like hiring a virtual assistant and giving them a job description. That's literally all you're doing. Now I can create an agent from here, and I'm just going to select the e-commerce expert because this is sort of like a pre-built agent around e-commerce, which is exactly what we want. Now the next step is to give your agent an identity, which can be one of these guys here, or you can upload your own image. So you're going to select the vibe, the model provider, which I am just keeping on auto, and then you're going to hit next. Now the next step is selecting the skills that you need your agent to use to help you run your business. So for example, the product sourcing tool, the image generation tool. For me, I'm just going to select them all, and then also for the skills, I'm just going to keep them all selected. Now for the user profile, this is basically just telling your agent what to call you, the preferred language that you want the agent to use, etc. And then we're just going to hit finish and launch. Additionally, I selected several other agents to form sort of like a team. So it's a professional AI team that can autonomously assign tasks to each agent and automate the entire workflow end to end. Now over here, these are the connectors, and this is where you're plugging it directly into the tools that you already use, which is going to be super helpful. I personally connected my Gmail, so now it can actually help me write, really well written draft emails and then send it directly when I'm ready. Now next are the channels. You can connect your Instagram. So Accio Works can analyze your data and even automatically post marketing content across your social media. All right, now here's where it gets fun. This is the workspace, and this is where I absolutely live. You type in what you need done, and it doesn't just give you a suggestion and say, good luck. It actually starts doing it. So let's say that it's Monday morning and I need to figure out, what products to focus on for the week. I'm going to type something like research 3 trending products under $30 with strong margins for a Shopify storefront. Find 2 reliable suppliers for the top pick, draft a product listing with an optimized title and description, and create an Instagram launch post and pictures with captions and hashtags. So first you can see right here the workflow it kicks off. It immediately starts pulling, actual trend data, what products are gaining traction right now, what's selling, what the margins look like. This alone can eat up so much time, but now I've got a short list of solid product ideas with real data behind them in minutes. Okay, so let's take a look at the final project summary for this very first prompt. So we've got the product research identified 3 high high margin products for 2026, and it also lists them here. It also provided the top selection based on profit margins, so which product will produce the most profit, and then it gives you the most reliable supplier sourcing for that product. One has 10 years in business with a high reorder rate, and the other has strong certifications and customization options. Now after that, you can see it drafts an SEO-optimized title and description for the product, which is huge. It also provides marketing assets for this product, so drafting an Instagram post with everything ready to launch the post. Now, after you've connected that Instagram, Accio Work can automatically publish Instagram image and text posts. Now, I then ask my agent, okay, now I need to reach out to the suppliers to get my products ordered. Can you assist me with that? You can see it provided me with the professional inquiry template, key negotiation points, and the step-by-step instructions for contacting the supplier on Alibaba.com. Now, another prompt that I gave it, because I didn't see the stuff that it said that it had created, I just asked it where everything was, and then it gave me this here, so each separate task with a link to the resources and the information. Now let's say that I wanted product images for the product that it recommended so that I could have those high quality images for my Shopify storefront. I'm going to ask my agent, I need high quality images of the product for my Shopify storefront listing. Can you assist me with this? Now look at the photos that it produced. Absolutely stunning images that I can take and use in a Shopify storefront. Honestly, the photos make it look like I want to buy it. Now with this, you are going to need a Shopify storefront to list your products, and I want to show you how Accio Work can help you set up your storefront with Shopify. You can create an agent team, and inside the team you'll need the Shopify operator agent, and then you can directly chat with that agent and ask it to build a Shopify storefront for you. Accio Work will automatically guide the whole setup process. So I'm just asking it, I need a new Shopify storefront for my new product line. Are you able to help me with that? The agent then asked me, what type of product I will sell. I told it the same product we just identified as a good product, the heatless hair rollers. And so now you can see it says that it has initiated the setup for the new Shopify storefront, focusing on the heatless silk hair curler set. It has assigned tasks to the Shopify operator. It's now asking me to provide my Shopify store domain and the admin access token. So in my new Shopify account home, I can create a custom domain, which I have done, and then I'm just copying that and pasting it right here. Now I'm asking it, hey, how do I get the API access code? I saw a tool called Quick Token and that it's really quick and helpful. And so I asked it, give me the instructions so that I can actually get the API access code through that. And as you guys can see, it gave me the instructions. So just the settings tab, downloading the app called Quick Token. Once that's downloaded, you can see here, very simple to copy your API access token. And then I just pasted it back into Accio Work. So you can see it's listed my first product and it's told me how to change the theme, which I have done. I'm simply going to tell the tool, continue building this out. And the last thing that it's doing is building out the store header, preparing the store for launch. You're going to have to allow certain things, so I would suggest sitting by and watching as it is working. And here's a look at the store that it created with the listed products. I didn't have to do anything except chat here and follow the instructions that it gave me. From here, all you need to do is continue building out that store and working with your agents to, add additional products if that's your goal. By automating the repetitive stuff, you're freeing up so much of your time that can go to things that actually grow your business, testing new products, responding to customers, jumping on trends before they peak, building relationships with these suppliers. And by the way, I'm showing you the e-commerce angle because it fits perfectly and really highlights what this tool can do. But the bones of this work for literally any business. If your thing is content creation, freelancing, consulting, selling on Etsy, you just swap out the skills, swap the connectors, and point it at your workflow instead. I also really want to be realistic here. This isn't some magical, push one button and everything runs itself type of situation. That's not real. But what has been real for me is the sheer amount of time this frees up. When you're able to stop spending, 10 to 15 hours a week buried in repetitive admin work, you can actually focus on the parts of your business that actually matter. And honestly, the biggest win has probably been mental bandwidth more than anything. You just feel less stress. Now, before I give you my honest take, let me quickly break down how this compares to what I was trying before, because I think this is really important context. So ChatGPT, yeah, it's great for writing and brainstorming, but it's isolated. You ask it something, it gives you text, and then you have to do everything with that text manually. So it doesn't connect to your store. It doesn't know what's in your inbox. Every single time you start a conversation, you're starting from scratch. Perplexity's solid for research, but same problem. It gives you information and then you are on your own. It's not executing anything for you. Also, whenever I tried stitching all of these tools together with, different automation platforms, honestly, it kind of worked, but I felt like I was spending almost as much time maintaining the system as I was saving by using it. The biggest difference that I found between Accio Work and Claude Cowork is that Accio Work is built more like a business execution system, while Claude Cowork is built more like an advanced AI coworker for general productivity and knowledge work. I would say that this makes the most sense for e-commerce sellers and Shopify store owners, drop shippers, product-based businesses, content creators, or honestly, anybody that's trying to run a business with a very small team. Okay, you guys, if you want to test it out for yourself, I'm going to put the download link for the Accio Work desktop version in the description box down below, so it works on both Mac and Windows, and I also believe that they're offering some type of bonus credits through that link right now as well. Even if you're just exploring the workflow side of it, I think it's going to give you guys ideas for how much of the repetitive work in your business could probably be automated. If you found this video informational or helpful at all, please hit the like button down below. As always, thank you guys so much for all of your continuous support on this channel, and I do look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.